Welcome. If you're tired of constant pings every time a friend posts a new Snapchat story, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you the latest way to mute story notifications from just one friend, so you can enjoy Snapchat without unwanted interruptions. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of the screen and tap your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page, where you can manage your account settings and friends list. Next, tap on My Friends. Here you'll see a list of everyone you've added on Snapchat. Scroll through and find the friend whose story notifications you want to mute. Once you've found them, press and hold down on their name. This will open a menu with several options. At the top right of this menu, tap on the three dots. From the drop-down, select Chat and Notification Settings. This is where you can fine-tune how and when you get alerts from this specific friend. Now, tap on Story Settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a switch labeled Story Notification. Simply toggle this switch off. That's it. Story notifications from this friend are now muted. You won't get any more alerts when they post a new story, but you can still view their stories at your convenience. And don't worry, your friend won't be notified that you've muted their story notifications. It's a discreet way to keep your feed and your phone a little quieter. If you ever want to turn notifications back on, just repeat these steps and toggle the switch back. So, whether you want to avoid story overload or just need some peace and quiet, muting a friend's story notifications on Snapchat is quick and easy. Give it a try and enjoy a more focused Snapchat experience.